Preview.
Parikshet from sun, love, and we are going to draw a small snail.
A very easy drawing today.
Yeah.
This easy drawing is going to be a kid's snail.
Yeah.
A very easy drawing of snail for the young artists out there. Young like Parikshet or maybe smaller than Parikshet. Let's see how good this...
I can do the difficultest drawing, the dragon.
Oh yes.
Let's
see how good you...
We draw the dragon
Yeah,
once.
we did draw the dragon. Now come on, it's time to do the junior drawing for the kids.
Yeah.
The snail.
Hmm.
Wait, how do we start? I'll tell you.
Can I take that? Please?
Sure. We start with a little curved line.
Can you just?
Just check it out. A little curved line and this.
For what?
I'll tell you. And we make a small space and we do like this.
Wow! 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 Wow!
And I'm done with the...
Body.
Now let's make the face of the snail. And two eyes. And a smiling face. And the two antennas. And now what is the most common part of snail? The shell.
Hmm.
Let's make the round. And this easy drawing is done. That was a fast one. You again did something wrong because you were hurrying. It's not looking good. It has to come from here.
It's looking nice also now.
So now let us quickly get coloring. Ooh. So Parikshet, did you enjoy the drawing? Yes or a no?
Yes.
Tell me if you enjoyed the drawing.
Yes, I enjoyed a lot.
You enjoyed the drawing?
Yep.
That's awesome. Today I want to draw a caterpillar also. And then this and then a caterpillar. Wow, these are going to be the funniest. We are done, Parikshet. Quickly, let's finish up this drawing. Wow, that looks beautiful. Now, this time it's Parikshet's drawing that's looking better because this was the drawing of Parikshet.
No.
Yes.
This was not the drawing.
Okay.
Bye, friends.
Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Do not forget to like and hit the subscribe button. Ding ding. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button.
And the bell notification button.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.